Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to find out which is the biggest number from the given two numbers without comparing those two numbers. Okay. This is it possible without comparing to find out the biggest numbers? Yes, it is possible. There is a formula. Before that, I will explain to you a function called ABS function. And what this function does is that it removes the negativity of the number, or in other words, it removes the sign of the numbers. Okay, so ABS, you can see the description here, returns the absolute value of a number. What is the absolute value? Absolute value is the exact value without the sign. A number without its sign. Okay, so I give minus okay, first I give 8. What is the answer? 8. Okay, this is 8, and I give absolute 8, this okay, I give 10 minus 10. What is the answer? 10. You see, it removes the value of the. Okay, I give 78 minus 2. Okay, which is nothing but positive number. 78 minus 2, 76, but which is the absolute value is 76. 2 minus 78, it is ABS of 2 minus 78 equal to sign 76. See, when the negative comes, then it is positive, which is without the sign it is giving. Okay, using this formula we are going to find out the biggest number. Okay, how to find out? I will show you. I already taken two numbers here in cells A and B, A1 and B1, and these two are random numbers. For instead of I put, let every time the random number change. Okay, so I give these two cells numbers. How to do that? The formula is ABS of, okay, whether it is first number minus second number or second number minus first number, both of them going to be the same. Difference between the A and B. Okay, you call this is A and B, then difference between the A and B. That means the difference between the A and B, if you add the difference between the A and B, you will, with the B, the smallest number, then you will get the other number, correct? So if you different, for example, A is bigger and B is smaller, then difference between A and B, if you add it to B, that one also give A. So we get A, if you add both the numbers together, okay, what it will come up with, A minus B is a difference. So A is bigger, B is smaller, then you add this difference with B, then you will get 2A, 2 times the biggest number. Okay, if in case B is bigger and A is smaller, you have the difference between these two numbers, and that difference you add to A, then then this A plus the difference become the B, which is the biggest number. So 2 times the biggest number. So this sequence of addition and ABS gives 2 times the biggest number. So you divide everything by 2. See, this gives the biggest number. So you have a smallest number in A, biggest number in B. Biggest number is 914. Now smallest A, biggest B, biggest. Okay, this time biggest is A, B is smallest. The different the biggest number is 375. Hope this video helps you to understand the ABS function as well as to find the biggest number. Kindly subscribe to my channel, because I need subscribers for as an encouragement for me to upload many videos like this. And God bless you.